sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden... Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today we are going to work in our kitchen area. I'm trying to get it ready for fall. Now look, these decor ideas that I'm giving you, we can use all the way up through Thanksgiving. Also, I will probably redecorate before Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna be decorating all during these next few months. So y'all better keep your alarms on and subscribe to my channel, okay? Also, I would love for y'all, I'll link her down below. Go check out Tina, that's Treasures by Tina. I always get mixed up on that. Treasures by Tina. Her and I have really tried to help each other out, and that's what this old world's about, is helping one another out, help us to achieve our goals. And y'all are doing that when you subscribe to our channels, and we greatly appreciate that. We are going to do a collaboration here very shortly, so y'all look forward to that. But today we're going to get started in this kitchen area, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. You can look behind me. We are going to do a pantry fall decor, because our pantry is basically an extension of our kitchen, and I use that as what I call as my garage. So I put all my mixers and things like that, so it's very utilitarian, but I thought that y'all would enjoy decorating that area as well for fall as well. So that being said, let's stop talking and let's get to decorating. But y'all need to stay closer to the end, and you can fast forward if you don't want to watch all this decorating. But I do have a super cool idea for something to go on your island, or you could do this on your dining table. So y'all go forward and look at that if you don't want to watch this whole video. But I appreciate y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed day.
Polaroids all scattered across the dusty floor, in the backseat of my Chevy 58, along with bits of candy wrappers. Looking back to when our castle was a shack, vacation was making figure eights in the parking lot. Remember when we used to forgive more than we forgot? Wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right. But how could I forget about you leaving, since my heart has never stopped bleeding? All that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, and sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I am tearing down this wall. Years go by, and gradually the tears run dry, but I'm still here looking for your face in the faceless crowd. Long after our final ship had drowned, it wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right. But how could I forget about you leaving, since my heart has never stopped bleeding? All that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I am tearing down that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you. Sometimes I even wanna be with you, just to hear you say that it's alright now. I'm tearing down this wall, tearing down this wall. I'm tearing down, I'm tearing down this wall.
Okay, so I had an idea of doing a tiered tray on this side of my bar, and I wanted something kind of big. And all of my tiered trays, they have a lip on the side, and I didn't want that. So I came up with this. I'm going to lay a cutting board first. Then I have this tall, and it's a cake stand, and I'm going to turn it this way. I will adjust it once I get it made, but I want y'all to see. So this is a cake stand. This is Magnolia Home. I got it several years ago. I'm going to put that not in the center of my cutting board. Then I have another cake stand, and this one I got from Walmart. This one is that Pioneer Woman, and it's that J-dot. And I'm going to set it kind of off-centered. So it looks kind of plain right now. So I thought about adding a wreath down in the bottom. So let's do that. I have this cotton wreath that I bought off Amazon, and I'll link this down below. I have several of these. I love these wreaths. They're just very, I love cotton, as y'all know. So it's just really country to me. So what I'll do is I'm gonna feed my base down through there. So there's my first layer. And then I have this layer. I could put another one of these wreaths on there, but I don't want to do that because I want to kind of mix it up. And I do want to have my picture on top. So that's kind of the way I'm going with that. All right, and then I have these really sweet little measuring cups. And I want to scatter those out here and there. And I love the black on them. I got these, and you saw me, I put them over my stove area. I may just put one in there. And y'all remember, I got these cutting boards, and I'm probably gonna use these differently closer to Thanksgiving. We're gonna do a tablescape for you guys for Thanksgiving. I've got some really neat ideas on that. But I thought I'd use it here for now, just to give it more texture, okay? So, all right. So I've just kind of scattered them across. Then I have this beautiful green gravy bowl. It's an antique. Look at that, isn't that thing pretty? So I thought I'd set that on the bottom there. And then I got some more pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna stick a few in there, just for more color. Look how pretty that green and orange. Scatter that orange out. All right, and then I have some more measuring cups. This is a bowl from Pioneer Woman, and it's the orange and the green, so I'm just kind of filling in. Let's see what else I got. I've got this really pretty spoon, wooden spoon. I could put some greenery under that. I bought this set at Hobby Lobby. It's the copper. Now I need to start adding greenery because it looks really bare throughout here. Now I have these little half spheres, and they work really well for filling in. And I don't want them both on the same tier, so I'm going to put one down here, I think. And I may need to, I don't know, guys. Maybe I should, no. And I'll play with it a gazillion times to get it to where I want it. That doesn't look bad. Can y'all see that? That's really cute. Then I have some more pumpkins. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. Oh no, this orange would pop right there. Oh yeah. And then this green. And y'all probably saw I added this Indian corn into my little bowl back there. I mean my little jar. And I'm just gonna put those in there. Here and there. Now, if you don't like the pumpkins, you could easily do apples and pears. So fruit is very pretty at this time of the year. I also had some small beads. I bought these from Pine and Ivy. I can just drape those here and there. But y'all get the idea. It was a cutting board, a tall cake plate, and then a, and then a smaller cake plate. And I think it's beautiful.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.